This is the Smart Seed Starter Tray, but there are a few things that you should probably know about this before you grab it off of Amazon. Yes, it does come with many separate different trays. Really great for gardening projects, propagating your house plants, or any other horticulture projects that you have in mind. It does come with these drain trays as well, the water catchers, so that whenever you're watering them, if you do have them indoors, it's going to catch all that water. Got the humidity domes and the controller on the top as well to set your humidity. And guys, it does come with several different bonuses in here, lots of different tools to poke into the soil, and then also labels to label everything that you're doing. And of course, several different tops for humidity. So guys, in terms of seedling starter kits, this is the best one that I've found on Amazon personally. I would go ahead and grab it today for yourself or a loved one or a fellow green thumb. I hope you enjoy. It does have a good capacity to it. For example, if you wanted to take out the seedling tray and just use the humidity dome, you could set some of your plants in there, some of your smaller starters, and just run it like that. You wouldn't have to do the seedling tray. Grab it today off of Amazon. Hope you enjoy. Have an amazing rest of your day.